After constant, it's the crack. If you click and drag in a graph, and it's not crack. It's a simple crack that you can use it directly, but with the crack, we have to combine it with other nodes. First, you can come here, and if you want, and as we can see, every node that you click, it has these tools that are actually visual tools. For example, you can invert the cracks. And as you can see, it's inverted. These cracks, it's created by 2D image. You can click it here in a 2D, and then as you can see, you can select this show raw data. It means it's show you a height map for crack, and as you can see, this is uncracked. You can better seeing that in this, and it's converted to the 3D. You can see it. In all 3D softwares, or 2D, the white area is applying that command or that tool, and the black area does not follow the command. It means we have 100% of that crack that occurs this in a white area, and we don't have any height map in a black area. So as you can see, they are flat, and the white area comes up, and it depends on, you can auto level it, or you can clamp it to the maximum number if you want. Simple. Okay, nice. Or you can make it 100%. So I will be explaining them one by one, but you can hear for the black and white, you use invert if you want, and then as you can see, or clamp it, the maximum number of that. As I said before, you can change the height directly from the clamp here. Close the 2D, and let's create 2D. You can understand better in here. For example, it's a normal way, and as you can see, it has blurred the edges of the cracks, and it caused this. It's blurring. Normal, hard, we have a hard edge. Classic, we have something like this. So you can choose between them with these arrows here. So for better understanding, we make it hard. And the octaves. The octaves, if you increase or decrease that, it actually control the density of these cracks. Scale of the cracks. If you want, you can make a bigger cracks or smaller cracks, or simply depths of the cracks. It means the widths of these cracks. You can change them here. Thinner or thicker, you can choose it. I want to mention that where in this software that you have these sliders, you can simply right click and you access here. You can reset to the default. You can decrease or increase by 1, by 10, by maximum or minimum. Or you can change the number here. Or if you click in here, it's make it in a reset. It reset tool. Right click here, reset. Jitter. The jittering actually changing the randomness and position of the. Actually, if you give a lower number of the jitter, we have a uniform cells, and it's a randomness. It randomizes the cells together. Anywhere in the software you see warp, it means it's actually moving the transform the comments or things. For example, and as you can see, you may see it's traveling from this direction, or you can change the size of this moment if you want. And here the change a randomize the position of that cracks. And the advanced setting, you can scale the cracks in this direction, or you can right click reset, or in Z or in Y direction. You can see it better here. Right click and make it as you can see, you can click on here and change the randomness. Okay, this is our crack, and we want to use it. You can use it directly for creating canyon environments, but we have to use it in other things. For example, in hills in Iceland. Let's test on a mountain. In a mountain, we want to combine these cracks with this mountain. Simple. Or you can use this mountain. You cannot use it as a mask because I explained the mask before. You can test it. Simple. Mask mountain by crack. Yeah. You can see something like this. It's use the white area of your cracks and create a mountain with that. So we don't, if you want, you can use it, but we want to combine the cracks with the mountain. Simply click and drag the output together. It automatically combine them. But in a combine mode, we have to change it. For example, subtract. Yeah. Subtract. As you can see, this is our mountain with cracks. So this is one of the benefit of the cracks. And don't change this its height. It's automatically combine it with that. Or you can change it to the divided. No, it does not work. Add it. Just subtract is better. It subtract the crack by this mountain and then combine them together. So we use a lot the combine tool that I will be explaining. Or you can use the mask. As you can see, the input we have mask, we have the output here that I explained it. So this is our crack and its settings. You can use it. Hello my friends. To continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.